This is our installation at Roebling Raceway up in Georgia. We installed a total of 11 of our VendaVolts here. Started work at 9 o'clock and had 11 of them installed by 7 o'clock today. It takes about an hour, maybe a few minutes more than that to do each one. And this is definitely an all-day job. It's now 7 o'clock and just about got it all done. What's nice about this installation, it's a dual price. It's charging two different prices. One price for 50 amps and the other price for the 20 amp. Well, that's the tour. You got to see the installation done here at Roebling Raceway, which took all day. Well, actually a little more than an 8-hour day, as you can see. End of this video.